What do you think of the people so far?
Everyone keeps poking me and saying I'm cute. It's exhausting.
What did you hear the most when you were inside your mom's stomach?
Nothing beats a Jets 2 holiday.
So how did it feel when your mom was giving birth to you?
That dang doctor was pulling on my head like he was trying to take my thoughts out of me.
How's your first week at home been?
Not good. My mom spends all day watching TikTok instead of feeding me. I'm on my 3rd fucking reincarnation and still haven't been born into a wealthy family. Fuck!
What is your plan to get more followers?
Ask your mom. She's already following me.
Why are you here? You're just a few days old.
I need to save for my kids' school.
Any regrets so far?
Yeah, I should have stayed in there a bit longer.